and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are doing great. As for me, this video is going to be a moving day or hashtag shifting day vlog. Okay, a little backstory. I've been staying in this PG for about 2 months now. And we have finally taken a place which I'm very excited about. And my family is coming next week, so before they come I need to shift to this new place, arrange everything, make it all set. So even though it's going to be a very hectic day, I decided, because I put up a video few days back stating I'll be active, I'll try to make a vlog and the whole shifting process, whatever that is. So I hope it's going to be great, and yeah, let's see what happens. So before that, I'll just show you a quick room tour. It's very small PG, not exactly a room tour, but yeah, whatever. So I'll just show you the place that I live in and place that I have been staying for the past 2 months, adjusting. And yeah, I'll just show you around. Disclaimer, just so you know, PGs are very small places to live in, and since it's Bangalore, so this is my room, and this is my bed, and this is the table that I've been working for the past 2 months, and this is the beautiful view that I'm able to see every morning after I wake up. Yeah, and my room is a mess right now because I have to move everything. I have to do the packing, and that's the box for my stores things. So I understand my room is a very big mess right now, but again, what can you expect if you're moving, right? So yeah, I'll just have to pack everything now, and I'm using this app called Porter. So that's a very nice app. It doesn't cost you much, and you can do the transfer, shifting and everything, and you don't have to be dependent on autos or the local drivers, because it's always a struggle to argue with them over money and everything. So I'll be using that app to to travel. And yes, I'll just pack these things. Also, before doing that, I just wanted to show you my favorite place in this PG. One sec. So I live in 5th floor, and this is the view. Okay, but let me just show you my favorite place. Okay. A little struggle, but oh man, look at this view. So this is like a small terrace on top of a terrace, and every evening I just come here, have a cup of coffee or tea, and just look at the view. Isn't it pretty? Although it looks the prettiest during the sunset, you can see the colors in the clouds and all sort of things. But yeah, this is the view. So all the packing is done now finally, and I'm just saying goodbye to this room. Oh, I'll miss this, even though it was just for 2 months. Okay, so all the packing is done now, and since I live in terrace, which is the 5th floor, I need to take everything to 4th floor and then take a lift from there to ground floor. Oh god. Okay. I'll see you again in some time.
Don't make videos, please.
How are you feeling?
बॉल अच्छे डालते हैं.
But it showed enjoyment, na?
Yeah, but शशांक और मेरा showed.
So I have booked helper also to help me with all these things. Okay. Okay, so the shifting is done now. We have everything here, and that's my friend who helped me shift all that. Oof. And I am dead tired. Oh god. Oh, well, I'm happy. At least all the things are here. Hey everyone, so I'm finally back home. It feels so good to say that. And everything's here and there, you know, lots of unpacking to do, lots of setting up to do. But the best part about today is food. So I was so busy, I forgot to have my food today. Okay, and yeah, I'll just have my dinner. I'm going to clean up a little and then I'll sleep. So that's it for today. Let's see if I can make day 2, or I'm really not sure. Let's see what happens. Bye bye, good night. Hey there, so I'm back from my breakfast and now I'm about to log in for work. So overall, I think I'll be ending my vlog for now, and it was a great, tiring, it was a very tough experience shifting. I mean, yeah, I had to carry a lot of things from ground floor to second floor, and a lot of my friends helped me, so thank you so much for them. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. There's a lot of things to do there, like I have to buy a lot of things for house. I have to arrange my desk. I'm so excited because I really want to decorate my desk, with flowers, stickers, lights and all those things. So let's see what happens now, and thank you so much for watching this vlog till the end. If you're still watching, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and do let me know about the vlog because I'm still new at it, okay, and I'm still learning how to edit vlog, etc. So thank you for watching this video till the end, guys. Bye bye, take care.